Good day, my people, wherever you are listening from. My name is Odunayo Akintola. I welcome you all to this movie corner where we talk about movies that touch the mind and the heart. Before we start, let me introduce you to our guest for today. On my right here, I have Miss Omowumi. You're welcome, ma.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. On my left here, I have Mr. Bolaji. You're welcome, sir.
Thanks for having me.
Oh, thank you. So today we are talking about one emotional movie, a movie that got people talking. Guess what? Farmer's Bride. This movie was directed by Adebayo Tijani and Jakenet Opukeme. Now we have some stars in this movie: Mercy Aigbe, Femi Brand, Toby Bakare, and Gbubemi Ejeye. Now, before I direct questions to my guest, let me give you a gist of that movie. Fumi, the main character of this movie, got married to an old farmer named Odun. Odun was loving, caring, romantic in his own way, but Fumi is not feeling that vibes. Now, Femi, Odun's nephew, came into the scene, and it was love at first sight for Fumi. Now, I see this as a forbidden love, and this love was opposed by Femi's mother. But despite opposition, they continue eating the forbidden apple. But then something happened that led to the death of Odun the farmer. So Odun died, and the event that followed later led us to a tragic event. Now, I don't want to say much about this because I want to give my guest the opportunity to dive into the full gist. Mr. Bolaji, do you think Femi and Fumi's love, do you think it's they genuinely love each other, or do you see it as something like a forbidden love, or let's just say love driven by lust?
See, the thing is that thank you. See, the thing is that what I saw in that movie was that Fumi actually genuinely loved Femi.
Oh.
Yes, because for me to say that, she did so many things for Femi, like killing of Femi, like killing of Odun,
yes,
for a lady to do something and allowing him to have sex while in the marriage.
That means
allowing him to have sex with him is somehow like, but Femi just want to
chop and
like,
go.
This guy is so
okay, I get just want to chop and
but
go.
But Fumi really loves him.
So we can call it a one-sided love.
Yeah, one-sided.
Oh, okay, that's good. So what's that scene that made you scream, "Ha! Wala, don't start"?
You see that scene when they're having sex in the workshop.
Okay, that scene was intense, guys.
I was like, you people are bad though. But I was like, well, it is good, it is love.
So this is love. Thank you. And Miss Omowumi, do you think we should blame Fumi for what happened in that movie?
Yes or no? Yes and no. Yeah.
Why?
Yes, because she was a villain.
Okay.
And no, because she was a victim.
She was a victim. Okay, if you were Fumi, what would you have done? Let's say that you were Fumi in that movie and you got pregnant like that. What would you have done? Or what would you advise that she do?
That question is very good and heavy.
I get that.
But for me, I would say at first, I will take a breath,
slow down.
And what I would say is, I will be honest. Be honest to myself. I will love myself. Be honest to myself and others. Because secrecy and deception in a society with a very strong traditions and
something that is detested the most, they hate it.
It will bring like tragic consequences. There's no how you can do it. Is it that you run away or be honest?
Well, she can't be honest though, because she will be killed or maybe beaten to death. Stigmatization. You are having sex with the uncle and the nephew at the same time. I don't think she would have confessed in that sense. But we agree with you when you say she should have run away with Femi in that sense. Right, thank you so much, Ms. Omowumi. So what life lesson did you personally take from the movie?
See, the thing is that to me, I used to tell people that whenever I have a female child,
okay,
I will love her to the extent that people will be saying that I hope you people is not treating each other like this. Because what I see there is that they actually force Fumi to marry that woman.
Yeah,
she's not Fumi don't want to really marry that man.
Yeah,
that's not her way. It's
no.
okay, but her parents forced her. But into my own this thing, I can never force my child. my female child
to marry anybody,
to
not
marry
even talking
marry
about like
yes,
an old
to marry
person,
anybody.
to marry anybody.
She should just do whatever she wants to do, whatever she feel like she wants to do.
Just have that freedom.
Just-
All right, thank you. So, Miss Omowumi, what life lesson did you personally take from the movie?
Alright. She was forced, right?
Yes.
I know Fumi's first marriage hurt her,
Yeah, it
but
did.
her reaction afterwards multiplied the damage.
Yeah.
You know, life might put you in any situation, but your response to that situation matters most.
Take note of that.
Your choices can solve or damage everything.
I'll mention. Oh, thank you very much. So, my people, you've heard it all from my guest. So, this is me telling you, if you love this story, go to Netflix and watch Farmer's Bride. Remember this, sometimes love grows like yam, but if you plant it in the wrong soil, you may never see harvest. So this is me telling you till another time. I will be back with another Nigerian movie that will make your heart fill with so much emotions. Till then, I remain Odunayo Akintola. Till next time, bye.